Hello and welcome to English 101, Composition and College Reading 1. Who am I? I'm Nuala Mary Linka, aka Nunu, and I'm not your boss. I'm not God. I'm your friendly teacher guide, and let's emphasize this word right over here, guide. Who are you? You're my student. I help you to learn, that's true. That means you're my teacher. You help me to teach you. That's what happens. We work together. So you're my collaborator. We work together to make this teaching learning process work. And here is a great truism, a truth about teaching. Without each other's help, we will not be successful in this course. We teach each other. There's one red apple for me as the teacher, but there's a second red apple for you as a student who is also the teacher and the collaborator. We work together in this course. So that's the first thing I wanted to make clear. Okay, let's find out about this actual course. What are we going to do in it? Let's go into it. So here we are in English 101, College Reading and Composition 1. We are in Home right over here, and this is our left menu. So what is home? I like to think of home as a bulletin board for a classroom, like one of those bulletin boards we used to have when we were younger, and it was so exciting because on the bulletin board you had some cool artwork about whatever the theme was for that week or that month. And I have artwork here. And I've got Lisa Simpson from The Simpsons in class board with the teacher who is screening a movie. All right, why is that? It relates to our research paper topic, which is what is the cause or causes of low student success rates in the U.S., and what is the solution or solutions to this problem. Okay, and down here, all about this English 101 class, this is my video to you, and then you have another video workshopping the essay on the bulletin board, and this is a way that I try to be a teacher, student, and collaborator with you. My method. Okay, so let's scroll up the screen and see what else we have here. We have a link to modules, week 1 of 6. We're in 6 weeks, June 10th through the 16th, 2019. We have the work here and this little clicking hand showing it's a link. Now, what is modules, which is the second item in the left menu? Modules is our class Bible. Everything we need is in modules. Everything we're going to read, everything we're going to do, every assignment. So let's click on modules right here with this handy link and have it take us in. So what do we have? Let me move myself over here. We have the to-do list for week 1, June 10th through the 16th, 2019. We have our first 3 assignments and the due dates right here. And as I scroll down, we have the whole semester available to us for you to look at and to understand what we're doing in this course. Okay, I'm going to ask that you not go ahead on any of the discussions because discussions involve all of us. We all work together. Okay, so after modules, we have syllabus. And I don't like a big, long syllabus. I like it to be compact. So I have 16 items here for you to click on. You have instructor and course information here. You have all my contact information, how to reach me, and I Skype during my office hours, which are from 12 to 2 Monday and Wednesday, and I have my Skype number right up here. I will not be physically present on campus during the summer, but we can meet face-to-face this way, and of course you also have the Canvas inbox. Okay, so let's click on the back arrow. Let's go back into the syllabus. What else do we have here? We have all the important things in this class, all the information. We have our course student learning objectives, what it is that you need to master for me to pass you in this class. That mathematical thing that is a grade, this is what we've got to do. We've got it listed here. I'm going to click on the back arrow, take us back into the syllabus, and I'm going to show you also something very important, number 13, DSPNS and ADA rights. If you have a learning disability, you learn in a different way, you have autism, like many of the people in my family have autism, then you have rights. I teach you a certain way. I give you more time to complete assignments. It doesn't mean you're stupid. People in my family are far from stupid. They're very responsible. They have great jobs, and they're autistic. So that's just not a something that's wrong with somebody. It's a way somebody is. It's just a different way of thinking. It's like that movie Divergent. Okay, so you'll want to read over all of this information about your DSPNS and ADA. ADA is American with Disabilities Act rights, and they're all detailed here. Okay, I'm going to go back into the home page, our bulletin board, where we have our main menu. You also have grades. What is grades? Grades is what you click on when you want to learn what your grades are, and you want to read my comments to you. I had a student last semester who didn't know that I was commenting extensively on his work. So go into grades and click on grades to learn my comments to you and what your grade is, what the evaluation is on all your assignments. I'll never just throw an assignment back to you without some kind of commentary, okay? We also have on the left menu here, we have Canvas tutorials. And if you're unfamiliar with Canvas, you're having any trouble with Canvas, click on this and it'll help you. And the tab below, we have Office 365, which I personally love. It has Word, PowerPoint, a lot of really nifty apps that you can use online. Okay, all you have to do is just log in with your student ID and use these apps. They're accessible to you online. Okay, I'm going to go back into Home, into our bulletin board right here, and end on this great photo that I really like, The Simpsons, and I like this image of Lisa learning in the class. It reminds me of myself way back. Okay, I'm going to remind you that I'm in inbox if you have any questions or concerns. I am here. You're never emailing me too much. No question is ever stupid. If you need to discuss something about the class, don't hesitate to email me, okay? That's why I'm here. All right, so we have a fast and furious semester. We have just 6 weeks, and I wish us well. I'll see you in class.